Hello viewers, as you can see the market has closed today at 1.47%, which is almost 156.30 points up, and from the last 5 days it is continuously rising. If you calculate it on a 5-year period, then it is 3.7% return. If you look at it on a monthly basis, then again it is rising. On 8 June it was at 10,167 points, and now it is up by 5.86%, so almost 6% return in 1 month. And on a 6-month level you can see that it had made a low on 23 March of 7,610. So from that low it has recovered now, and if you calculate it from its low, then it is 37.98% up. So anybody who had invested in index via Nifty Bees or any mutual fund which invests in the index Nifty 50, then he may have earned 37.98% return. So that's all about timing. But now the question is the current situation. As we can see from 5 days and from past 1 month, the market is continuously on rise. So there is a natural question, a natural curiosity, that where will the market go? Will it fall from this high again? Will it correct itself? What will happen? So for you to explain this, we have to go back in 2008. See, during 11th June 2008, the market was at its highest, 6,200. From then it fell down by 50% to 3,046. Okay, so almost 50% down. But then what happened when the recovery started? You can see here that it never fell down, just as the fall was continuous and consistent. Similarly, the rise was continuous and consistent. There may come days when the market may decline by just 0.20 or 30%, but on a larger level, from 27 Feb to 2009 till 12 June 2009, almost 5 months, the market was continuously rising, and it gave a return of 65.85%. So if we are to assume that this is the same kind of recovery which happened in 2008, then from here to its previous level 12,000, it may soon reach there. Now if we are to compare it with the S&P 500, the American market, so the American market has also shown signs of recovery. This is the 5 days charts, this is 1 month's chart, and the 6-month chart from the high to low and the recovery. So the global scenario seems that the market is going back at its previous level, and we can say that Nifty 50 is heading towards 12,000, its previous level. But as it's the market, nothing is for sure. So frankly, if I were to tell you, I would say that I don't care whether the market goes up or down, because nobody has ever invested in the market. Have you invested in the market, I am asking? Have you bought Nifty 50? If you haven't, then why worry? And suppose if you have bought Nifty 50, then even there is no need to worry, because you can see the maximum chart of Nifty 50, the index. There have been lows, there have been highs, but in the long run the market has always gone up. You can see it here, there's the proof. So anybody who has bought the Nifty 50 via index fund, there is no reason for him to worry, right? So why are you concerned whether the market is going up or down? I don't find any substantial reason there for you to worry related to the market direction. Now, another reason, another perspective. You have invested, most of you who are watching this video may have invested in the company, say XYZ company, right? So the company has no relationship with the market. You can see the prices. For example, this is PVR share. The market has recovered. You can see here on a 1 month basis the market has recovered, right? Now this is PVR on 1 month basis. Has it recovered? No, it has fallen down by almost 10.27%. Another company, Reliance, which is also part of Nifty 50. Its 1 month chart, it has gone up. So what I am trying to explain is this market has no relation with this company nor this company. Why are you afraid, or why do you care whether the market is going up or down? Your investment is in a particular company, so you should worry about the company, and all this stock movement doesn't matter, because if you look at this 6-month chart, the company most of the time declares its result after 3 months. So there is rarely any update by the company to the investor. Yet the stock quotes daily, the stock price changes daily by 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. For example, you can see here Idea Vodafone share. Now look at this company, look at its chart. So we'll go to a longer period. Now see, from the past 6 months the company has not yet released its result, nothing has yet come, but still the stock has made lows, then it went high, then it went again down, and now it is trading at 9.80. So even though the figures of the company are not reported, the condition, the present situation of the company is not reported, yet the stock price is moving. What this tells you is that this line is not really the business movement. This is the emotion movement of the investors, of the traders, because this line does not accurately tell you the emotion of an investor. It tells you only what the market wants to tell you. The traders who trade daily, they are responsible for this movement. The investor rarely trades. So if you are really an investor, if you have really invested in some company, then you shouldn't worry about the market, whether it's going up or down, because I can tell you there are several companies which have not gone down along with the market. They have went up instead. For example, you can look at DMart. So this is its 6-month chart. Here the low, which you can see, the March low, this was because only the panic, the fear situation which led to this downfall. But again the market corrected itself to the fundamentals and they realized their mistake, and again in just few months, in just few days, not even months, in just 10 days the stock went again to its previous level. So you can see that the market doesn't really know. So if you are a responsible investor, an intelligent investor, then you don't really have to worry where the market is going. Just stay invested, focus on the company, focus on its business, and be aware where it is going, what's the direction of the business, because the stock movement cannot be predicted, but the business movement can be predicted, and that is all you need when investing. So I request you, and not just request, but I suggest you that don't worry about these downfalls, the stock movement or the market movement. these are just emotions, and most of the time these are the result of euphoria which is going on mostly in the market. Just stick to your principles, analyze the business, and if you believe it, then hold it for a longer period. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.